Hello there. I'm trying very hard to be bright and cheerful, even though we have had days and days of rain and miserable weather here in New Zealand, and we are supposed to be moving into our summertime. So I'm really hoping that I will get to see the sun sometime before Christmas. Big shout out to my friend Laurie at Laurie's World. I have been telling her for months that I couldn't wait for winter to be over, and she's probably got better weather than I have. So today I am going to follow on from my previous video, and I'm going to do another swipe, this time with a piece of damp paper napkin, and I'm going to put the colours down onto the canvas. My blues I have made up myself: metallic, dark blue, medium blue, light blue, and this time, different from my last video, I'm adding blue green, which is a mix of phthalo blue and phthalo green, and my gold. And I have put my drop of silicone into the dark blue, which is the colour I'm going to use for the actual swipe. So I'll start putting those colours down now. Well, that certainly came out beautiful. The colours are quite metallic. So now I will use my torch to see what sort of cells I can make. As you can see, they're all coming up beautifully. I was hoping I would get some gold coming through, as it seemed to disappear quite a lot into the picture. But that has come up really, really well. Those cells are looking so good. And now for the last part of the picture, of which I am going to do a chain pull with the gold paint through what I already have on there. Well, I've changed my mind about the colour. I decided instead of doing gold on here, I'd do silver. And I have also tilted off a lot of the paint so that I've got a good flat surface. But I love the colours that I have got there. I have got some almost paisley colouring going on in that, which I find really nice. And also, I can't remember whether I have actually done a swipe with the chains over paint with silicone in it, so it's going to be interesting to see how it comes out. But I'm going to put some silver paint down now onto my work surface, and I am going to run the chains through it, then see possibly about using pale pink and white as two other colours that are possibilities, but I will get started and see what I can make. I'm happy with this result. The edges in the middle are strange, but I know that is because of the silicone. So I'm now going to run the torch over it just to get rid of all the bubbles, and it may also bring through a few cells, which isn't a problem for me because, as I said, I knew I was doing this straight down onto silicone, so I'm looking for a slightly different result to what I normally get when I do these pictures. Anyway, I'm going to go away for another few minutes to let that develop, and then I'll come back and I will bring it up closer to the light to show you the result. Right, I've been away for about 10 minutes just letting this picture develop. So it's got the holes from silicone holes I call them, which make the pattern different again to what I normally do. So I'm now going to bring it up and show you closer to the light. I love the pink and I'm very pleased with the way that this has come out, because when I did the swipe it wasn't what I had in my mind as to what I wanted, and so I was then left with the options of changing it or leaving it as it was, and I decided I wanted to put the chain colours through it, starting with the silver. And as you can see, the edges are not really defined, not a problem there. As you go further in, the edges are more defined, and the pink just takes that colour to the next level. So overall, pretty good day's painting today for me, and that's it. I'm finished now. So once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.